Building control and planning permission. What's the difference? Aren't they the same thing? Well, stick around, I'm going to tell you the difference because they are in fact separate things. If you're new, welcome to the channel, I'm Ben. I've got nearly 2 decades of experience in construction and now work as a building inspector. Let's jump straight into it. Planning permission is the permission you need from your local authority before you start building work, especially if you're adding an extension or changing the look of the front of the property. It's a way for your local authority to ensure you're in line with local planning regulations. The planning department considers your proposal against set criteria, which covers things like the look of the property, access to the public road, and many more. You don't always need planning permission, as your project may fall under permitted development, but that's a video for another time. Building control, on the other hand, is completely separate. They check the plans and inspect site to make sure you're building to minimum requirements under the building regulations. These are set out in the approved documents. Building control does the technical side of construction, ensuring that a building is structurally stable, safe for occupants, and there's no fire risk. Ultimately, you need both of them, but for different reasons. Now you understand the difference between planning permission and building control, check out this video next on party wall agreements and when you need it. That's a party you don't want to miss.